Hi there, I'm Mary Perry, and I am owner-operator of Wings Unfurled. I am a Seraphim Blueprint teacher, an energy healer, and an angel intuitive. I have encountered Dr. Karen this week in a training together, and she introduced me to the X39 patch. I was even not sure I was going to be able to attend the training due to back issues I've been having for 5 months. And I was able to come, but moving very slowly. And she, at the airport, gave me my first X39 patch. My pain level this week has been little to none. I have a little bit of ache when I wake up in the morning, but the severe kind of shooting pain's gone. I've also used the ice wave this week, which has been, I'm so impressed and so excited about this. I felt like that she was going to help me find some answers. And sure enough, here I am. And I know it's only been 4 days, but wow, it's an incredible difference. The other piece that I've noticed is that I have more hope for the future, and that I feel like I am finally going to attain the level of health that I want, so that I can do more work that I need to be doing with my angels. They want me out there. So I'm really excited. You all should try these patches, and you can contact her or me since I've actually become a distributor of Life Wave patches. So they're absolutely amazing. So I hope we can connect at some point. Thank you.